Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I will just overview our website. We will just set up the menus, and then after this video I will just add the content to my website from different categories, and I will just add some posts, etc. And then after filling out our website we will move back to the next step of SEO, and before that we will add the content. For currently you can see that we have this menu which is totally blank, and in the past we have added certain categories which we will utilize in our website, and some categories are irrelevant. Like you can see this advice category we don't need, we can just delete it, or you can be featured we don't need, health we need, investing we don't need, lifestyle we don't need for now, money we don't need music, we don't need movies, we don't need names we need, and we don't need online earning, poetry, real estate for now we don't need, recipes we need, shopping we don't need for now, style, tech we need, tournament we don't need, travel we need. And now we will just select these categories and just delete them. We will again recheck the list. Maybe on the second page we have certain categories. Women, we need women, I think. And TV is there, we don't need TV, we don't need trending, we need women or not. I will just recheck because we have the list of categories. Women is there, so I will just keep it, and other categories we will just remove. And these are categories, okay, not the menus. And now we will see that what else we want. Actually I want to change the uncategorized thing, so let's edit it, because we can't delete this category. Okay, this is the default category which we can't delete. Okay, but indeed we can rename this category. So here if we review, we have politics, religious, poetry, culture, nature, children, directory. Okay, these are the videos, and children, children is fine, or kids. Okay, let's create a kids category, kids, and that category will contain the articles related to kids. And that's it. From where we can save, where is the save option? Here for every category you can even add the SEO informations. Okay, definitely later on we will do that, so don't be worried about that. We will just update. Okay, and now we have final category. Now it's time to add the main menu. Okay, so let's go back and let's go to the menus. Let's go to the main menu, primary menu. Okay, and here you can see we have only the home menu. So now we will add the categories. So here are the categories. We will just click here and we will select all the categories. And we will just click to add to menu. Okay, and let's save it. And I just want to check out that how our menu will be displayed. and you can see that the menu looks good, but definitely we want to add the relates to the other subdomains, which we will learn in the similar course as well. So what we can do, we will add that categories, and we will actually add a menu here, and we will add certain sections to that menu. Okay, so in this I think business, entertainment, health is fine, kids name, poetry, recipes. Okay, this can be in the separate menu under the more menu. Okay, so here are the menus. Sorry. Okay, here are the menus. So let's create another menu. If you want to create another menu, we can, without any link, for example without any category or page, then we can just copy that. We can just name that menu. For example, we will just name it more. Okay, and then we will just add a hash here. Okay, sorry, this one, so it will not redirect us to any other page. So add it, and now you will see that more page is also added, a more menu, and under this menu we will add for example, okay, not woman is important, so poetry or recipes, and names, and kids. Okay, and menus are there, and I think online earning will be on the main heading. I think business. Okay, let's add travel. No, travel is also the main thing. So woman, just add the woman to more. Okay, and now these are the subdomains. If we drag drop these sub menus. Okay, so now if we review the website, you will see that these menus will be shorter down, and here in the more menu you can find out these menus, and we can now add videos and directory menu as well. Okay, so what else? Yeah, we don't have Islam menu, that is also very important. So Islam, and yeah, Islam will be again a new domain. So Islam, videos, and directory. So these three menus we also need. So let's create a custom link, and here we will just add this hash. Let's make it Islam, add it, and then again hash, and videos website will be different website. Okay, that will be on our subdomain hopefully, and then we will have our videos and directory, which will be a directory website, or you can say ads posting website, like that. And now if you save it and if you review, you will see that the other menus will be appearing here, but definitely this more menu we need to the last. So here we will just come here, we'll just move the more menu in the bottom of all, and then we'll save it again. And now if we refresh, hopefully everything will be according to us. Yeah, you can see more is there, and we have the beautiful menus, and definitely we have added that we have this article on the health. On the top this ad is appearing, and definitely I will show you that how we can fix everything, okay, every aspect of the website. This course is not related to only SEO. This relates to website development, SEO, and online earning, AdSense earning, okay. So everything we will learn. That's it for this video. Now I will add some content to my website, and then in next video we'll move further. Goodbye.